These three things are the important tools of your risk management. Once you have taken out these, a very important part of your life gets covered.
Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. आज है मेरे साथ राजीव कौशिक सर, चीफ इंजीनियर मर्चेंट नेवी. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कैरी अबाउट रिस्क्स एसोसिएटेड विद मर्चेंट नेवी एंड उसका काउंटर एक्शन दैट यू नीड टू टेक, वी नीड टू टेक एज सी फेयरर्स सो दैट वी कैन कवर दोज रिस्क्स. अगर मैं आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू जानना चाहता हूँ, क्या है सर, बताइए.
You are very right. The risk definitely exists in this and in the on the ship and off the ship also. But when we are on the ship, there are various risks which are there, whether we are working or we are not working, in both ways. And the companies do insure us, but it is a very general and a sketchy insurance. What I will suggest is that for a personal, because life insurance should be done only of a person who has dependents on him. This is rule number one.
इसको थोड़ा सिंपल वे में बताने की कोशिश कीजिए सर प्लीज.
जो अर्निंग मेंबर है फैमिली का, only he should be insured. Now there are 2 points in this. The life should be covered with a substantial amount which should actually take care of few years if something happens to me. Secondly, the cost of covering that life for a substantial amount should be as less as possible.
Sir, what is that second thing that we need to take care of?
Second thing is we should cover our health.
Health.
Because it is not necessary that I will die on vacation. I might fall sick also. And in that case, the company may cover us, may not cover us.
Again, 99% chance है कि नहीं cover होगा.
Yes, because again it is taken care by the same insurance companies or P&I club or whatever. We don't know. All these come, even the term insurance and these policies, they come with a tax benefit. So you can claim it in your tax statement also if you are paying tax at any level. So all these will helpful.
What is the third insurance, sir?
The third insurance comes for your house.
सर मैंने कभी नहीं सुना किसी को लेते हुए.
हाँ, ये जिस जगह आप बैठे हुए हैं इसका पहले लिया जाता था जब हम रहते थे. तो दिस हाउस होम इंश्योरेंस इज एक्चुअली डन टू प्रोटेक्ट द बिल्डिंग अगेंस्ट वेरियस नेचुरल एक्ट्स ऑफ गॉड एंड नेचुरल कॉजेज. जैसे शिप का होता है, तो जब हम अपनी गाड़ी का करा सकते हैं तो घर तो और भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. दीज थ्री थिंग्स आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट टूल्स ऑफ योर रिस्क मैनेजमेंट. Once you have taken out these, a very important part of your life gets covered and you don't have to pay for these from your own pocket if something happens. That is what a ship owner does for his ship. So if he can do for his ship, we can do for our ship where we are staying and our family is staying. So it is very important.
So guys, this was one of the most important topics. Again, the idea is not just कि सिर्फ सुने. It's about executing that plan and keeping it into consideration. With this, I would like to say thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.